Organizing your digital files for maximum productivity. Do you ever feel overwhelmed by the mess of files on your computer? Do you spend valuable time searching for that one document you know is somewhere, but you just can't find it? You're not alone. Digital clutter can slow us down and reduce productivity. But don't worry, today we're going to show you how to organize your digital files for maximum efficiency and productivity. Organizing your digital files for maximum productivity. The power of organization. When your digital files are organized, finding what you need is faster, your workflow becomes smoother, and you'll feel more in control of your workday. Whether you're working on a personal project, running a business, or managing schoolwork, having a system for your files is key. Step 1. Categorize your files. Start by grouping related files into categories. For example, create folders like work, personal, projects, or photos depending on your needs. This helps you create a clear structure so you'll know exactly where to go for any given task. Step 2. Create a folder hierarchy. Once you've set up your main folders, break them down further into subfolders. For example, under Work, you could create subfolders for reports, invoices, meeting notes, and so on. A folder hierarchy allows you to narrow down your search even more and reduces the time you spend scrolling through endless lists. Step 3. Name your files consistently. Use descriptive and clear naming conventions for your files. For example, instead of Doc 1, name it something like Marketing Proposal 2025. Consistency is key. This will make it much easier to search for files when you need them. Step 4. Use cloud storage and backups. Keep your important files stored in the cloud so they're accessible from any device and are safe from hardware failures. Services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive can automatically sync your files, giving you peace of mind that your data is secure and easy to access. Step 5. Perform regular maintenance. Organizing your files isn't a one-time task. Set aside time every week or month to review and delete files you no longer need. By staying on top of your digital organization, you can prevent your files from piling up and becoming a new mess. Conclusion: with these simple steps, categorizing your files, implementing a folder hierarchy, naming files consistently, using cloud storage, and performing regular maintenance, you can keep your digital workspace organized and boost your productivity. So, what are you waiting for? Take control of your digital files today and watch how it transforms your workday. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on staying productive. See you in the next video.